Packing for a beach vacation should spark joy, not stress. A well-packed suitcase is your key to relaxation. It's about bringing what you need without overpacking. Remember, less is more. Pack light and you'll move with ease. Enjoy your vacation to the fullest. When preparing for your beach vacation, it's essential to choose lightweight, breathable fabrics that will keep you cool and comfortable under the sun. Think about materials like cotton and linen, which are perfect for hot weather. Quick-drying fabrics are also a great choice, especially if you plan on spending a lot of time in the water. Make sure to pack a few pairs of shorts, t-shirts, and tank tops for everyday wear. These items are versatile and can be mixed and matched easily. A sundress or two is perfect for evenings out, offering a stylish yet comfortable option for dining or strolling along the beach. And of course, don't forget your swimsuit. It's always a good idea to pack at least 2 swimsuits. This way, you can wear one while the other dries, ensuring you're always ready for a dip in the ocean or pool. Flip-flops are a beach essential. They are easy to slip on and off for sandy strolls. Pack a pair of comfortable walking shoes for sightseeing. Consider water shoes for rocky beaches or water sports. Leave the high heels at home. A wide-brimmed hat is crucial for sun protection. Sunglasses are essential too. Choose a pair that blocks UV rays. A sarong can be used as a cover-up or a beach blanket. Don't forget a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. Essentials for sun, sand, and surf. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Pack a high SPF sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. A lip balm with SPF is essential too. It keeps your lips moisturized and protected from the sun's harsh rays. Bring a waterproof bag for your phone and valuables. This ensures your electronics and important items stay dry and safe from water damage. A good book will keep you entertained on the beach. Choose a captivating novel or an interesting magazine to make your beach time more enjoyable. Travel-sized toiletries. Freshness on the go. Pack travel-sized toiletries to save space and comply with airline regulations. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and toothpaste are essentials. Don't forget insect repellent to keep those pesky mosquitoes away. Gadgets and gizmos. Capture memories. Stay connected. A waterproof camera is perfect for capturing underwater adventures. A portable charger will keep your phone alive for all those Instagrammable moments. Consider packing a small Bluetooth speaker for beachside vibes. Health and safety first. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Carry any necessary medications with you. Don't forget to pack motion sickness medication if you're prone to it. Packing tips, a place for everything. When it comes to packing for a trip, organization is key to making your travel experience smooth and stress-free. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. This method not only maximizes the space in your suitcase, but also helps to minimize wrinkles, keeping your clothes looking fresh. Use packing cubes to keep your suitcase organized. These handy tools allow you to separate different types of clothing and accessories, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. Place heavier items at the bottom of your suitcase. This helps to balance the weight and prevents your suitcase from toppling over when you open it. Keep your essential and valuables in your carry-on bag. Items like passports, medications, and electronics should always be within easy reach and safe from potential loss or damage in checked luggage.